In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shipping zone in WooCommerce. This is a fundamental step for anyone who manages a WooCommerce store and needs to arrange products for delivery to specific locations. First, it's crucial to ensure that you've enabled shipping in your WooCommerce settings. To verify this, you'll want to head over to your WooCommerce dashboard and navigate to the settings by clicking on WooCommerce, followed by Settings. In the General tab, look for the Shipping Locations field. You need to make sure that this field is not set to disable shipping, but instead is set to something more suitable, like Sell to Specific Countries, or any other option that includes locations where you wish to offer shipping. After making any necessary changes, don't forget to click the Save Changes button. This ensures that the Shipping tab becomes available for your next steps. Now, with shipping enabled, you can proceed to set up your zones. Head back to your WooCommerce settings, but this time, click on the Shipping tab. Here you'll see a section dedicated to shipping zones. To create a new shipping zone, you need to click on the Add Shipping Zone button. This is where you'll start configuring the specific areas you want to distribute your products to. On the Add Shipping Zone screen, the first thing you'll do is enter a zone name. This name can be anything that helps you identify the region, like California if you're delivering within the state, or perhaps local delivery for nearby areas. Naming your zone properly can help streamline your logistics and make it easier to manage your shipping strategy. After naming your zone, you need to use the Regions drop-down menu to select the geographical areas you want this zone to cover. These can be countries, states, or even larger areas like continents, depending on your preference and business scope. Selecting the correct regions ensures that you're targeting the right audience with your delivery options. For those who need finer control over which areas to include in a shipping zone, there's an option to further refine it by limiting it to specific zip codes or postcodes. If you need to do this, look for the Limit to Specific Zip Postcodes option. Here, you can enter specific codes, separate multiple ones with commas, use wildcards if you need broader matches, like entering 900 to cover all zip codes starting with 900, or specify a range with a format like 9001 through 9010. This feature provides you with powerful flexibility, allowing you to cater to very specific delivery needs. Once all this information is entered and confirmed, you'll have successfully added a new shipping zone in WooCommerce. This will enable you to further define shipping methods and rates for those specific areas in subsequent steps, ensuring your customers see the correct options based on their location, enhancing their shopping experience and facilitating efficient order fulfillment. So now, with these zones set up, you can easily manage where and how you ship your products, ensuring that you're reaching your customers effectively and efficiently.